Hello, and welcome to Wallace Branch Library Young Adult Craft Class. My name is Sandra, and today's craft in celebration of Poetry Month is Words of Affirmation craft. So we're gonna transfer an image with water slide transfers. The material you'll need for this particular craft is you'll need the Water Slide Decal paper. It comes in clear and white. If you're going to use the white background, you are more than likely transferring to dark surfaces. If you are using the clear transfers, then you are more than likely going to transfer to something clear. So you'll need the transfer decal paper. You'll need some scissors. You'll need something to smooth your image out once you transfer it to your surface. You will need something to hold some water in so that you can put your transfer inside the water and to loosen it, and then you put it on your surface. But you'll need a container for your water. You'll need some water, and then you'll need something to seal your image in. Once you do your transfer, you'll need to spray something like acrylic spray over the top of it to kind of seal it in. You'll also need some paper towel to blot it dry. You will need an item that you're going to put your image on, and I chose this cup today. Here is one that I did that has the image on that's clear, and I also did one on a cutting board that I got from the Dollar Tree. Let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is find your image. Once you select the image that you want to transfer, then you print it onto your decal paper. And this particular decal paper is the inkjet printer decal. Now you can get the laser jet printer, but I chose the inkjet printer decal paper. Next, once you print your image off, you spray it with your sealant to seal your image in. And once you seal your image in, spray it about 3 times, waiting about 30 minutes between each spraying. So, we're ready to cut our image out. Once you cut your image out, you kind of put it down in the water, and it will curl once you put it inside the water. And you just hold it down in the water for about 30 to 60 seconds. And then you take your surface, you rub some water on your surface, just to make it slide a little bit easier. You take your picture, you center it surface wherever you want it to be. And then you just slide it off. And you can kind of situate it on your cup, on your surface. Move it around on there to get it exactly like you like it. And then you take your squeegee and you just rub all the air bubbles out. Blot that dry with a paper towel. Still a slide, just a little bit. Spray it once again with my acrylic spray to seal that in. And once I spray it, I let it dry. Or you can put it in this oven for just a little while. This is the finished product after baking for about 10 to 13 minutes on 230 degrees. This is what we got. I think it came out pretty good. I hope you enjoy your mug. I'll probably give mine away as a gift. Mother's Day is coming up, so I think it'll be a great Mother's Day gift. But whatever you decide to do with it, I hope you enjoy it and have a good afternoon. Thank you for joining Wallace Branch Library Young Adult Craft Class, Words of Affirmation.